favorite part of my IDS theming is by far our treehouse in the reception area. I think it's in the perfect location as you walk in the door. It's so big. I would say every single day the patients and many parents comment on the office and say, this is the coolest office I've ever been to. My child woke up this morning and said, can we go to the dentist today? I would say that the IDS theming has helped me expand faster. It's just a very inviting atmosphere in terms of an external marketing standpoint. I really feel like it's packed a lot of punch. And when the patients come here, it's certainly more amazing than they could have imagined.